Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Career. In this video, I'll be doing the Geekbenchmark 5 comparison test between the OnePlus Nord versus the Realme 7 5G device. So which is also called as the Realme Q2 as well. So which has a Dimensity 800U processor, and whereas the OnePlus Nord has the Snapdragon 765G processor. And previously I did a another benchmark comparison as well, but in this video I'll be just focusing only on the Geekbenchmark 5. So as you can see the model, exactly what variant I am using. This is a 6GB RAM variant I am using, and the Dimensity 800U processor. So this is a very new for the Realme brand to be releasing with the MediaTek processors. So let's see friends, in the Geekbenchmark 5 how much the score of this 800U Dimensity processor gonna come, and how well we can actually compare with the Snapdragon 765G processor. So for more details on this Realme 7 5G, make sure to follow me regularly, and also do check the links in description for the playlist of the Realme 7 5G as well. I'll try to add the playlist as soon as possible, but stay tuned for more upcoming videos, which are already uploaded so many videos on this smartphone. So try to check for more latest information on this device. You can find so many amazing even live wallpapers like this which I reviewed in my channel. So make sure to check the links in the description for the wallpapers as well. Let me quickly open the Geekbenchmark 5 in both the phones, and let me try to run the Geekbenchmark test at same time, and let's see the results as well. So let me try to click the run CPU benchmark at same time in both the phones. As you can see, I did press at same time in both the phones, and let's see friends which phone will actually finish this Geekbenchmark 5 test between this Dimensity 800U versus the Snapdragon 765G processor. In the Antutu benchmark score, the Realme phone is the winner in terms of the Antutu benchmark performance when you compare with this kind of Snapdragon 765G. And let's see in the Geek benchmarking in the single core and the multi-core, how much the difference will it be there between this both of the smartphones. In this test, which phone will be the winner as well, we'll get to know. So if you notice here, the OnePlus Nord is slightly far ahead of this Realme phone. So 20%, there is a difference of close to 3% at the moment. I think the OnePlus Nord should be able to finish this test much faster. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, and also check the links in description as well. As I said, on every phone I'll try to upload as many as videos as possible, so that you will get an exact idea about the device, and you can decide to buy the phone or not based upon these suggestions. And in the upcoming videos, there are so many plans to test on this Dimensity 800U processor, whether the Free Fire game is possible with the 60 FPS, or PUBG 90 FPS or 60 FPS. So Call of Duty, Asphalt 9, there are so many other games like Genshin Impact. There's much more testing I need to do on this Dimensity 800U processor to test its performance as well. So that's why it's better to stay tuned for my channel regularly for everyday updates on this mobile phone. So as you can see right now, there is a difference of close to 6%, I think so 7%. So let's see friends, I think the OnePlus Nord should be able to finish the test faster. Again, I'll be back once the test has been completed. As you can see friends, the OnePlus Nord has been successfully completed first than the Realme smartphone, and it is a result on the single core score, which is scored around 608. As you can see in the multi-core, it scored 1918, as you can see friends. And finally the Realme has been also the scores are here, and you can see the difference in terms of the Geek benchmark scores. So 562 in the single, and in the multi 1786. As you can see, there's a difference here. So in the Antutu test, that's a different type of testing, and the Geek benchmark 5 is also different type of testing. So this is the overall performance in the single core. So in this test, the OnePlus Nord is kind of good than the Realme, which has a Dimensity 800U processor, and these are multi-core results as well, as you can see here clearly. So for more this kind of interesting videos and the interesting comparison, make sure to follow me regularly to my channel Sai Tech Guru as well. And as always, do subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.